Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my tips in getting your foundation to last longer. You know, if you're experiencing any cakiness or your foundation's melting or you started to get very sweaty on your foundation throughout the day, this video is for you guys. So if you wanted to find out what my tips and tricks are, please keep on watching. Is that you need to prep your skin before you apply your makeup, because we need to have a clean and hydrated skin. In that way we'll be able to have a clean canvas on our face, so that way we'll be able to apply the makeup smoothly on our skin. I already prepped my skin, and the moisturizer on my face actually been sitting on my face for about 10 minutes now. So next I'll be applying the primer. Pick a primer that is suitable for your skin type. I'm using my Modelsrock foundation sponge. This is actually my favorite sponge. And I'm gonna do, before I set it with powder, I'm gonna go and set it up with the setting spray. This is the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray. Okay, I'm just gonna let that sink in on my skin. Okay, while this setting spray is still drying up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start pressing in the this setting spray on my face. Be setting my face using the RCMA color powder, tapping any excess on my hand, and I'm just gonna press in that setting powder under my eye. Same process again. So I'm just gonna be pressing that setting spray on my face. So what this setting spray does is actually locks in all your makeup in, so that way it will last longer. You know, the powder and the setting spray, they goes really well together. My last step will be setting my face again with the setting spray. Okay, I'm just gonna let that sink into my skin. I'm gonna put all the information together. So this is if you've got a so this is really good if you've got a combination or oily skin. So all the skincare that you guys are gonna be using, make sure that it actually suitable for your skin type. And next is to prime your skin. So with using the primer, okay, because I've got a combination skin, and this is actually what I recommended earlier, which is the Covergirl, and it's the skin smoothing primer. It's actually an oil-free primer, and it's also good for all skin types, and it's also a fragrance free. This is also gonna help you to last your foundation longer. It's the setting powder. So it's also important that you need to set your makeup with setting powder. So the next thing is the setting spray. So the next thing important to get your foundation to last longer is to set your makeup and to set your foundation. This setting spray is actually a very lightweight setting spray, and it's an oil free, so this is also good for oily skin. Okay, the other thing also that's going to contribute to for your foundation to last longer is getting the right foundation for your skin type. Matte finish with lightweight texture, and also it's very handy if you guys gonna be out whole day. It's gonna be very handy that you need to bring a blotting paper in your bag, just in case you're gonna start building up any oil. If you guys have any tips in getting your foundation to last longer, please comment down below. I would love to hear from you, and also let me know what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click the notification bell, and please don't forget to like and share this video. So you can share this video to your friends and family or your colleagues, and that they might be able to learn something from this video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.